Let me show you two databases that I recommend you use for different research projects. First, we're going to take a look at Explora for teens. All of the databases are located on the About Our School Media Center research page. So we're going to open Explora. This is actually going to direct us to the Mid-Continent Public Library page. On this page, this is super important. Make sure you go ahead and open the database by clicking on the logo or clicking on the button that says Go to Explora for Teens. Then it should ask you to log in right here with your library card number. In this case, it's your S number. Go ahead and type in S and your number and hit submit. And then it's going to take you to the Explora website. As we discussed, you want to do a search by using keywords. So today I'm going to type in a search about cell phones and schools. Okay. On Explora, it's going to give you several options. So right in the middle is going to give you all of the different results of different types of resources that are available for you. Okay. Over here on the left-hand side, it'll break it down by different types of resources, such as magazines, newspapers, and academic journals. So to actually read an article, you would click on the title and open it. This looks like a great one, discussing whether schools should ban cell phones. And then it will open the article for you, and this is where you're going to be able to take notes and get information for your research paper. Okay. Over here on the right are different tools that you can use. For instance, you can click this to connect to your Google Drive, and it will save this article in your Google Drive. You can also print it if you need to. You could share it with somebody else with email. One of the big important things you're going to use is the citation button right here, which is going to tell your teacher where you found your material at. We use MLA citations. So if you are required to tell your teacher about your resources, then you can copy and paste this link right here into whatever you're turning in. If I wanted to go back to the results list, I can click right up here and it will take me back and I can see if there's additional articles that I need to read. Because I still have a lot of results up here, I can also limit this. So let's say I want to change the date to 2017. No, I only have 44 articles, so it kind of gives it, narrows your results so that you have the most up-to-date information. So this is how we access Explora.